Okay, tutorial time. We are going to be making a roller ball today. And roller balls are one of the most accessible ways to get essential oils on your body every day in a meaningful way. So most of the time when I am consulting with people or asking them about like how they're using their essential oils, one of the first things that I want to know is, do you wear a body spray or a perfume or some kind of fragrance every single day, or do you have like a signature scent that you love? Okay, well, does it disrupt your body's balance, your endocrine balance, your brain balance, or is it harmonizing and uplifting and emotionally supporting your body? The great thing about essential oils is that we know they have incredible therapeutic benefit for emotional health. And so emotional health is one of those really important things that you can give yourself as a gift to support your mental and physical well-being. So roller balls are an incredible way to do that. Okay, so the blend that we're making today, I've coined inspired action. So I saw a girl named Danny Hampton do this blend and I was like, ooh, that sounds really good. I looked into it, read the ingredients. The pairing is incredible. I made it for myself and I had to come share it with you guys. So what we're using today is Envision. This was a promo oil that I otherwise wouldn't have tried if I wasn't on Essential Rewards. It's surprisingly really not that expensive. It smells incredible. It's one of those oils that's going to promote our highest potential. It is the Vision, right? And then Valor comes in your starter kit, the Action, right? So Valor is one of those oils that is, for those of you that have a kit or that have Valor, if you've heard me talk about it, you know that it's one of the first oils I put on every single day on my wrists, the bottom of my feet, to balance the energies of the body. If you don't know what I'm talking about, look up Biofield or go to my Green Feelings highlight. I have a whole highlight about what that means in terms of like the bioelectrical field of the body and emotional support. But this grounds and balances our energy and is going to promote an enhancement of all the other oils we put on. And the funny thing is that they both have geranium and black spruce in them. Valor has a little bit of frankincense and this has orange and rose. So the pairing is just so grounding but equally uplifting. Inspired Action. The third oil is going to be vanilla. This is one of our new oils that just launched a couple months ago. It is fully in our vault now, so it's not going away. And vanilla, for those of you that love like a really warm, delicious, sweet smell, this just tops it off to make it like really perfumey and really, really wonderful. So all you need is your 3 oils and then a roller bottle, right? Comes with a little roller ball on the top and then a carrier oil of your choice. So I'm using fractionated coconut. You can use jojoba, avocado, a vegetable oil, a grapeseed oil. There's lots of different ways that you can do that. But I'm just going to quickly show you guys how simple this is. Now, if you study aromatherapy, most aromatherapists will say anywhere between like 30 and 40 drops in a 10 milliliter roller bottle will do for an adult. Dilution ratios are different for children, but I'm talking about adults today. So you grab your Valor, and we'll start with this. And I'm going to do about 8 drops of Valor. And usually I do, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, one for good luck maybe. Usually, I like to do the oil before the fractionated coconut oil so that you can get all of your oil in and then you know how much to top it at the end. So I'm going to finish filling these and I'll come back and talk to you about the rest of the recipe ratios. Okay, so now I've done 8 drops of Valor, 12 drops of vanilla, and 10 drops of Envision. And now, oops, I just dropped my pre-made roller. You're just going to see as I add in, just fill it right up to the top, right there. You don't want to fill it too much because then this is going to squish all the oil out. But you can see it's got that nice, beautiful green-blue hue. Pop it on. Stick the top on. And then you'll see, right, in a clear bottle, it just has that really fun color to it. So I'm going to be lathering in this all throughout the new year. Inspired action is such a fun blend, especially for this time of the year, at this wheel of the season, as we come into the new year. You might have a vision, an intention, or an inspiration for a goal, or for to see yourself manifest something in the new year. And this is an incredible thing to have for yourself or to give as gifts for your loved ones. So let me know if you guys like it.